hindi mo alam na dadalhin doon, pero sumama kayo sa 2 days, tapos may passport ka, but nasa kotse mo passport, okay. But you volunteered to accompany, why?
To accompany the former president.
Because kailangan, what was the reason? Sabi mo, yung mga kasamaan mo, walang passport.
Hindi po, wala po akong sinabing kasamahan ko walang passport. Wala pong passport that time, yung mga PCTC
Okay.
members, ma'am, na
Okay.
supposed to be sasama din that time. Wala hong silang available noon.
So were you appointed representative of the PCTC?
Yes.
Were you appointed representative of the Interpol in the Philippines?
That time, I was appointed, yes.
Who appointed you?
The PCTC, Your
So
Honor.
can the on that day?
Yes, sir.
So can the buuin natin ha, kayo lang mga militar at polis nakakaintindi ng 3-4 na letra eh. Yung Philippine Center for Transnational Crime. Sir, can you appoint the representative ng Interpol on the spot? Kasama sa powers yun, if I check with Interpol. So kung today, pwedeng ako representative ng Interpol?
Para pong hindi yata kasama sa function ko yun.
Well, kakasabi lang ho ni Ambassador, kayo daw nag-appoint sa kanya.
Yun po sabi niya eh.
So, but you're saying it's not.
Ito nga maintindihan.
So hindi niyo po,
Tapusin ko na rin
no.
po kasi he's
Yeah.
a competent authority.
Yeah, no, let's, you're under oath, sir.
Oh.
You're
Did
under
you
oath.
or did you not appoint him as
The good ambassador
representative?
is a competent authority to represent us.
But you
Yes.
did not appoint him.
Hindi question if he's a
Appointing
competent.
authority.
Hindi
You're
ka
not
appointing
appointing,
authority.
okay.
Klaro po yun.